Let's do it. Martel Adventure TVs, man. Best set of following, man. Yeah, man, if you see face on your device, man, you don't know it's a Martel Adventures TV, you see? Today on the menu, you don't know, so we have some chicken, and we have some blend up season, so you know the style. You don't know some jerk chicken we are doing today on the block, you know? Just check it. I'm out.
People, I get like a Paradex chicken and clean up, you know? Joke, man, I great best dress. Season to some green season. Green season. Yeah, put the brown in. The color, you know. So Maggi.
Oh, when you drill this.
Oh, purpose, you know. And look at jerk. Look at Coca-Cola, you know. Left this make it marinate.
Yeah, you don't know, I'm a chicken and marinate. At time, you catch a fire. You see? You don't know now there's a fire stick today. Don't know some cool we are using, you know, faster thing, papa thing, you know. This is sauce, yeah. It's a flick out. Yeah.
People, low down them up on the grill, you see me? Skin down. Hear the sizzle? See what I go on, peeps? First turn, not wrong turn. So you see it? File paper right there, you know, well chopped up.
Yeah, start. Look about sample. Let's do it. Use your foot. Where you wanna buy? Yeah, man, people, man, see ya. Alright, man, jerk chicken pan the black man. Martin Adventure TV. Check it out for the next time, you see it? Remember to like, subscribe, and share. You see me? We outside, hear that, people.